This update looks very normal, but there is a reason why I installed it the moment I saw it. A reason that is not obvious in front of you, but it could be more serious than any new feature people were waiting for. Stay with me, and you'll be surprised. Apple did not go into many details. The official description for this kind of update is usually bug fixes, issues, and security improvements. And Apple's security releases page also shows that iOS 26.4.1 has no published CVE entries so far. And that means the update is important. But trusted technical reports linked it to fixing a problem that was affecting iCloud and CloudKit syncing. And that means the update is important even if Apple did not explain all the details. The most serious point is that iOS 26.4 had a bug in iCloud and CloudKit sync, and this issue could prevent some data from updating or syncing normally between devices. It even affected Apple passwords and some third-party apps that rely on CloudKit. Technical reports said that iOS 26.4.1 fixed this issue. This update can make a difference for you because you might change something on your iPhone and expect it to appear on your iPad or Mac, but that may not happen properly. And that is more serious than just lag or slowdown, because here you are talking about data, information, and updates between your devices. Because this type of problem can happen without you even noticing it. The device looks like it is working normally, and nothing obvious appears in front of you, but in the background, the syncing is not working correctly. And that is why I installed the update immediately. Because this is not a feature update. This is an update that fixes something truly important. Apple also has a system called Background Security Improvements. And its idea is to add extra layers of protection between system updates, especially for sensitive system components. This explains why a small update can sometimes be more important than it looks. But this is Apple's general explanation of the protection mechanism, not an official statement that 26.4.1 fixed a specific component by name. So honestly, I did not wait. Because this update fixes a problem that could happen without you noticing and cause your iCloud data not to move normally between your devices. Write in the comments, did iOS 26.4.1 arrive on your device and did you update immediately, or are you still waiting? And if this video really helped you, hit like and subscribe so any important update or serious issue like this reaches you quickly without fluff or wasted time.